areas and spray the entire head and get it fully saturated with water. And even my name is Renosha, and I am the CEO and founder of Reagan Sanai. And today I am going to teach you the importance of a healthy hair care routine for your infant's hair. And we're also going to dive into teaching you about some techniques on combating dryness, how to help with encouraging more hair growth, how to properly wash, detangle, and also layer your products on to combat dryness as well. But are y'all ready? Yes. You ready? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, so we recommend our infant collection kit for the ages of 4 to 6 months. After 6 months, we recommend starting with our I Want It All Whole collection kit. You can just purchase the I Want It All Whole collection kit because our infant collection kit is included. So we're going to get into the wash day routine. I'm gonna have Nikay, you'll start off with just wetting Journey's hair down really, really good with warm water first, and just to get it fully saturated with water. So first we're gonna start off using the moisturizing black soap shampoo. This product does have slippery elm bark, organic aloe vera juice in here, and it's really going to help with conditioning the scalp. This product is not tear-free. Our products are completely natural and organic, so we do not add any chemicals to our product to alter the naturalness of the product. So I'm going to, one, shake it up because it's completely natural and organic and the ingredients will separate, and then squeeze it onto the scalp. And also when cleansing the hair, focus on downward strokes like this instead of doing circular motions because we don't want to tangle the hair as well. You want to focus on, there may be less hair at where you're trying to encourage the hair growth at. Now this shampoo is extremely slippery, so it will help to detangle the hair as well while you're cleansing it, and it's softening the hair up immediately. And even in the back areas where there's some balding at, focus on that back area as well. Question that we get from a lot of our parents is how often should you cleanse your infant's hair? And so I would recommend cleansing your infant's hair once a week, but in between that week, do a warm water wash. So a warm water wash is literally just taking some warm water and rinsing their hair really well, and then following up with applying the moisturizing leave-in detangler to their hair. Good job. Give me a high five. You gonna give me a high five, Journey? Okay, so next we're going to apply the moisturizing leave-in detangler to her hair. When applying the moisturizing leave-in detangler, you want to apply this product on wet hair. So do not towel dry the hair first before applying the moisturizing leave-in detangler to the hair. Water is your #1 moisturizer. So what we want to do is we want to seal that moisture inside of the child's hair. And so you don't want to remove the water from the hair before applying the moisturizing leave-in detangler. So leave it wet, and that's what's going to help with sealing the moisture into their hair. Okay, so first I'm going to squeeze a generous amount of the moisturizing leave-in detangler into my hands. And I usually rub my hands together like this, and then I take the product and apply it all throughout the hair. And if you're looking for more curl definition, then at this time, this is what you want to do. You want to finger comb the product all throughout the hair. If you're looking for more of a curly look, you don't necessarily need a comb or a brush. Just use your fingers, and your fingers are going to activate those curls. And again, also focusing in those areas where she may be experiencing a little, balding areas, or where the hair is just trying to come in at, apply some of the leave-in detangler in those areas as well. And then if you notice that the hair is kind of drying up a little bit when you're applying the product, just wet it a little bit more with a little bit more water. This is where I would kind of use the comb a little bit just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed back here. If you're looking for curl definition, this is the way to go. Take your time and actually distribute the product all throughout, and just finger comb all throughout the hair, and get the sides of the hair, the back of the hair. Say, don't play with me. The next process after the moisturizing leave-in detangler, I would use the mango butter souffle. So again, this product is a hair and body butter. So as soon as you get your baby out of the tub, you don't want to towel dry their body. You don't want to towel dry their body and dry them off completely before putting this product on, because just like with your hair, water is moisture. That's the same thing with your skin as well. You want to make sure it's damp before applying the mango butter souffle all over their body. And follow up with putting more leave-in, and then we're going to put a little bit of the mango butter souffle back there to double lock that moisture. And also, while you're styling her hair, if you notice that more product is needed, feel free to spray the refresher spray and apply more product. And then after I spray that, I'll add a little bit more of the leave-in. Get in there and really saturate the hair with the product to keep it moisturized.
Yeah, when I do it, I'll just put it on there like one time and then move on.
Yeah, so really moisturize really well. Then, you know, take a comb and really evenly distribute it throughout the hair. And then you could take your brush and, you know, brush up her little edges. Also, what I like to do too with the mango butter souffle is I like to take it and like apply it along her edge line just to kind of double lock that moisture in there. Really get that baby hair. And then what I like to do for like the end of the hair, for the curls, just take it and twirl it around your finger. And then you want to make sure you're not putting it in there too tight as well. So I'll say like 3 times is good. Now she's just gonna spray Journey's hair with the moisturizing aloe refresher spray to get it back moisturized. And then after that, she's going to now get a pump of the moisturizing leave-in detangler. And you're going to finger comb that product through her hair, Nikay. Getting it from the ends, from the roots to the ends of her hair. And then now you want to take the comb and just comb from the ends of her hair and work your way up to make sure the product is evenly distributed. And so once you do this, what you'll notice is you don't have to put product on their hair every day. Maybe every 2 or 3 days you can go in and refresh the hair, but once you take the time and do it, you know, really right the first time, you don't really find yourself having to go in and keep constantly putting product on their hair. If you want to use a little bit of the mango butter souffle, if you feel like these will be in for a couple of days, then you can feel free to just use just a little bit. We're talking less than a dime size amount, guys. You don't need a whole lot of this product. I'll take some out of the container and just put it on my wrist like this. So as I'm moving, I don't have to keep double dipping my hand in here because you are using it for the body as well. So I just put it on my wrist and I just keep going. So we're gonna lock that moisture in, right? And we're going to just re-moisturize the back of her hair. So you just wanna kind of get it on your fingertips and now really go through the little shorter parts of her hair. I'm gonna take a little bit of the mango butter souffle and then I'm going to seal the moisture, double seal that moisture into these shorter areas.